Hello, everybody. This is Blaze Boy, and this is my first YouTube episode. Hooray! Excuse me if the mic quality isn't that good. Anyway, this time I am doing a redstone tutorial on a flying machine. It can also easily be adapted to it can easily be adapted to a submarine by just putting fence gates, like so. Sorry, for some reason it cannot be placed for anything, no matter which direction I've done. I've tested it before I started recording, and, well, it wasn't that good for third person anything. Like so. But I did not make this design, I merely adapted it. This, as you might recognize, is the easiest, most resource-friendly version of Jack Foster Miner's first flying machine for slime blocks. And I've adapted it to have a cockpit and, well, a launch mechanism that makes it easier to activate from when you're in the cockpit. Also, it has retractable stairs. Not these second parts, these will stay here, but this will slide into this slime block right here. Both of them, and then they'll get stuck. So that's nice. So, oh, sorry, forgot. Block on that side. It starts now. Pretty cool, huh? Anyway, the only way to stop it is by breaking the power block, which is in this case the redstone. But this is easily reset by just breaking the stairs and placing them in the original positioning, and just having a spare redstone block on hand to place right there. Unfortunately, it cannot carry along either of these staircases or the redstone activating mechanism, which is pretty much just, and then it would be pushed away. But this is what it would look like without the adaptations I made. Sorry. New iPhones, well, Samsung, not iPhone, sorry. I'm trying to get used to the size. And so that's the tutorial on how to make the main body. I'm just getting it out into deeper parts so I can build the cockpit easier. But this is how I build the cockpit. This block has to be here so it doesn't bounce you forward the slime blocks and send you flying off into the distance or off a cliff. And this is how I made the activating mechanism. Yeah, it's weird to move around on this. I'm still used to an iPod Touch. So yeah, that's the tutorial. It also works in the end, but in survival this might be kind of hard to, make. Because, well, it takes an observer, and that takes obsidian and a trip to the nether to get the quartz for the sensing mechanism. And you have to kill a few like 30 times. And for some odd reason, my Samsung is glitching out and making the stairs move. Anyway, goodbye!